If you have old, nasty, peeling paint around the foundation of your house and you want to remove it, this is what you're gonna do. Have your favorite grinder tool, and you will need masonry bit, you will need hard wire brush, you will need soft wire brush, and you will need hand brush. First, you're gonna use masonry bit. And when I'm talking about old, nasty peeling paint, it's multi-layer paint. It's not gonna go away with even with the hard brush. You need to use grinder with the masonry bit. If you work outside, there's gonna be a lot of dust. You can't get away without connecting the vacuum. If you want, you can connect the vacuum. I'm not gonna connect the vacuum today, but I'm gonna remove the guard because it's not needed. And I'm gonna put the masonry bit first. It's going to get nasty and loud, so make sure you protect your ears. You have a respirator, and in this case I use face mask. Also make sure you have proper leather gloves that fit properly on your hands and that are not loose. As you can see, the masonry wheel removes about 80% of the paint, and then you can touch up again, or you can use the hard wire brush to remove the remaining pieces. This is how the foundation will be looking after you finished with the masonry wheel. Since there is still some paint left in these little caves and in the holes, it's time to grab the hard wire brush and brush it up. For this brush, you want to remove both flanges and just screw it in. And do not forget to use wrench to fix it up. When working with the brushes, make sure you have maximum protection. So same, full face cover, thick gloves, hearing protection, dust mask, and it's too hot outside, but ideally you should cover your body as well. The final touch, to reach out the areas where the foundation touches your driveway or the pavement, use just hand brush and brush a little bit up. And now your wall is ready for purging or staining or painting. Just make sure if you're staining or painting, you select breathable paint that is suitable for the concrete surfaces. It's very important. Alright, thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Cheers!